Usapang Noche Buena na naman, sabi niya dito. The point is, the government should work to lower the price of goods. Naglabas sila ng 500 for Noche Buena, di nila inisip grabe yung inflation. Well, what if the government don't? What now? Anong magagawa mo? Reklamo? Rally? Maghihintay ka na ng another 3 years para bumoto ulit sa same politician na nag-cause niyang nirereklamo nyo? Oh. Again, the problem with Filipinos is that they keep on singling out politics as the only thing that they need to fix. How about your capacity to earn? How about your skills? How about your value? How about your monetary value sa market? Diba? Ang hirap kasi, masyado kayong nalunod sa politika. Yes, politics touch a lot of aspects sa buhay, but it's not the only thing that we have a problem upon. And hindi lang yun yung pwede nyong gamiting lente para solusyonan yung kanya-kanyang problema. Okay, I'll give you a good example. Now, pumili kayo ng bet nyong presidente. Sige, kahit sino pa yan. Si Lenny, si Duterte, si Hontiveros, si Tulfo, kahit si Jesus Christ pa yan. Kung hindi kayo magtataas ng value nyo, kahit sinong presidente yan, tingin nyo, gaganda yung buhay nyo? Diba? You will end up the same miserable person na reklamo ng reklamo sa kung ano yung hindi ginawa ng ibang tao para sa kanila. And yet, they fail to realize that the only person that could get them out of that situation is themselves. Masyado kasing naghintay yung mga tao para kumilos yung ibang tao na nakakalimutan na nila na the best person to solve their problems is themselves. Diba? Sabi niya dito, the government should work to lower the price of goods. Paano nga kung hindi? Mamamatay kang mulat, dilat yung mata, kakahintay sa the government should lower the price of goods. Diba? Why not become a contributing part of society to produce so much value that you yourself can lower the price of goods? Hindi ba mas maganda yung ganyang point of view? Kesa hinihintay mo yung every 3 years na botohan. At kung paminsan-minsan makaswerte ka, makapagsampa ka ng kaso doon sa mga government officials na yan, kung every year naman, pwede kang mag-improve ng sarili mo, pwede kang magdagdag ng knowledge, pwede kang magdagdag ng skills, responsibility, that could actually boost productivity, that would in turn lower the price of goods. Depende sa kung anong field nandun ka. Diba? Hindi naman iniisip ng Pilipino yan. It's always, hindi, responsibilidad ng gobyerno to. I agree with that. But that's not the point anymore. Sabi ko nga, paano yun? Kung hindi sila kumilos, edi wala na, nganga ka na. Tsaka again, there are a lot of people that I could make as an example that are currently thriving sa ganitong klaseng environment. A corrupt Philippine or Philippines. Shouldn't we be asking them, what are they doing? Why are they thriving sa kabila ng pagkakaroon ng isang gobyernong corrupt? And then, you could always have the same thing. Improving your life, and improving the government, you could have those two running at the same time. Diba? Hindi lang politika ang meron sa buhay ng tao.
This is Pinoy Extreme.